Welcome to the history of CAT. So today we solve a problem on profit and loss which appeared in CAT 2019. Now if you are new to profit and loss and you are not someone who has been through the basics, so it is advisable to go through the basic video of storyboard on profit and loss which are being put up and uploaded on website. So once you know the basic, it will be easier for you to understand this problem. So having said this, with this disclaimer, let's start with the problem. So on selling a pen at 5% loss and a book at 15% gain, so a pen is being sold at 5% loss, a book is being sold at 15% gain. Kareem gains 7% in the entire transaction, which means 5% of the cost price of the pen, which means minus 5% of that, and plus 15% of the cost price of the book is equal to 7. Okay, overall he gains 7% in that, 7 rupees in that. Okay, so percentage and then value is given. If he sells the pen at 5% gain and the book at 10% gain, so both are being sold at a gain, the total gain, which means 5% of the cost price of the pen and 10% of the cost price of the book is equal to rupees 13. Okay, that is again percentage and value. What is the cost price of the book in rupees? Okay, simple. You have to make a linear equation and go ahead to solve this problem. Okay, so first we'll start with this 5%. Let the cost price of pen be equal to X and let the cost price of the book be equal to Y. That's how I'll start the problem. 5% loss. What is 5% of X, which means 5% of 5% loss, right? So you made a 5% loss over the cost price, which means 5% of X is what you made a loss, which is nothing but 0.05 of X. You made a loss of this. Then 15% gain over the cost price of the book, which means what is a gain? 0.15 of Y is a gain. So what happened? Kareem gains rupees 7. So 15% of Y, that is his gain. You subtract 5% of X from this. Okay, why? Because he made a loss there. So if say he earned 10 rupees from this, he lost 5 rupees from this. Overall he got 5. Okay, just an example. This is not what is happening, but just to make you understand how things are happening. Okay, but the overall is what? This is equal to what? It is given in terms of value. It is equal to 7 rupees. So in the entire transaction he gains rupees 7, which means 15% of Y minus 5% of X. Overall he gets rupees 7. So this is nothing but value. If you can understand, this is a value. 15% of Y, this is also a value. It's taken as a percentage of X, but eventually it will give you a value. So if Y is 100, this will give you 15. If X is 100, this will give you 5. So 15 minus 5, it will be 10. Okay, something like that. So value minus value is equals to value. Okay, then if he sells the pen at 5% gain, so 5% of the pen is 0.05X, which means he is making a profit of 5% of 5%. Let's write it here so that we can compare it easily. So let's write it here. This is 5%, so 0.05 of X. He made a profit of that, which means whatever is the money, that will come as a value to this. So this is again a value. And 10% gain on book. So on book he gained 10%. So what is 10% of this? 10% of Y will be equal to 0.10 Y, right? This is what he gained. So this 10% of Y is what he gained. So overall this is again what? A value. It's again a value. 10%, whatever the Y of value is. So if Y is 200, he earned 10% of 200, that is 20. Overall he gained what? Rupees 13 from this. Okay, that's what is happening. So this is one equation we have. This is another equation we have. Adding 1 and 2. It's as simple as that. Adding 1 and 2. If I add 1 and 2, what will happen? This and this will get cancelled. Plus 0.05 minus 0.05. What are you left with then? 10 plus 15. That will be equal to 25. 25Y. Okay, that is equals to what? 20. That is what you get. So y is equals to what? 20 and then take 2 zeros here upon 25. Okay, I took the 2 decimal point to the top such that 0.25 becomes 25. Now just solve it. 25 ones are 25, 8s are 80. That's it. Y was the cost price of the book, right? And that comes out to be what? 80. So y is equals to 80. That is the cost price of the book in rupees. You got it. It's 80. Option number 1 is your answer. Okay, so quite a simple problem. You just have to make the equation. Ideally it should not take anything more than 35 to 40 seconds for you to solve this problem. I was explaining it, that's why I took time for you to visualize as to what is exactly given in this problem.